Today I have a Ram 1500 and I'm going to show you how to open up the hood on this Ram 1500. Some people call it a Dodge Ram 1500. Some people call it just the Ram 1500. But I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. But before I get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go and get started. So I'm in the vehicle behind the steering wheel. In order to open the hood, I first make sure that I'm on level ground, right? I'm on level ground. The vehicle's on level ground, so it's not gonna roll back, right? Supposedly, right, if it's on level ground. Next thing, I make sure that the vehicle's in park, which it is, and I actually turned my engine off. It's currently off. So with that being said, I have all of that together, and if you want, you could put the parking brake into place if you'd like to do that for more security, for keep it from rolling. But it should be in park on level ground. So with that being said, so what I'm going to do is now I'm behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down on the left-hand side towards where the brakes and stuff and pedals are, but I'm not going to go that far. I'm going to go right here where is it?